गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रन। हमारा लास्ट टॉपिक था, our last topic is reflection of light. I have asked a question. Whenever we are entering in any room and we are seeing that there is a light, in one case we are seeing our image in the mirror whenever I am standing in front of the mirror. In another case I am seeing the wall, not my image. So what is the reason behind this? Single time I am seeing the image, single time I am seeing the wall. Why I am not getting the image in the wall, yeah, in front of the mirror, in front of anything? Why I am not seeing my image? So to get in this point, I am just here to tell you about something about the reflection of light. Reflection of light में सबसे पहले बात आती है source of light. I have told you earlier कि whenever any interface this is the medium 1, this is the medium 2, there is a source of light from which light is coming, an incident on any point. This interface is absorbing some energy which is converted into the form of heat or anything or any other energy from this source. Suppose I am taking any source and this source is candle. This is the candle. From this source the light is coming to interface and I am here, and from this source the light is reflected back I am here. Now you can see in that कि whenever I am getting the same pattern, when I am getting the same signature of source of light in my eyes, same signature pattern which you can follow, which you can say this is known as the pattern or signature. If my eyes getting the pattern of light ray which is coming from the source of light in regular format, then I will get an image of this object. In another case I am taking any interface. Suppose it is the optical surface, optical plane. I am giving the name to this interface is mirror. Second, I am taking this whiteboard. This is the whiteboard. It is also in plane surface, but in this whiteboard I cannot see my image. Why I cannot see my image? I am seeing the whiteboard and you are also seeing the whiteboard. Why we cannot see our image? So reason is this कि this whiteboard is also the plane surface. This whiteboard is also the plane surface. On seeing it by microscope, we will see there will be some bumpy surface. Bumpy surface in the sense कि it will be like this. it is not on regular basis, it is like this. Like tiles is also the plane surface, but we cannot see our image. Why we cannot see our image? So please get it. There is a object, it is an object. From this object light is coming on with same pattern. This pattern I used here, this pattern I used here. But from this surface, the light is, this reflected ray is going this in this way, this reflected ray going in this way, this reflected ray going in this way, this reflected ray going in this way. So our eyes is not getting the signature, is not getting the same signature of object. When this eye is not getting the same signature of this object, then we cannot see the image of this object on this wall. If sometimes we see this, this is an object, this is an interface, this is the source, we are getting two rays reflected back, but two rays are like this. So some portion which is following the reflected ray like a signature of object. So we will get some portion of image in on this wall and not clear object, not clear image of the object, because only two rays are following the same pattern, but rest two rays are not following the same pattern. When two rays are following the same pattern, then we can get the image of only two rays, only this portion, but this portion we will not get. So sometimes we can see our image in the tiles or in whiteboard, some portion but not proper portion. But in the mirror, it is the mirror. All the light ray, all the pattern, all the signature of object is reflected back in same pattern to the eyes, so that we can see the image. Why it is going like this? Why it is not following the same pattern? See, whenever the light is coming from any source of light ray is coming from any source of light, when it comes on this point, this is the point of incidence, this is the incident ray. At this point there will be a normal line in the sense कि a light ray which is perpendicular to any surface. If this is the surface, this is the perpendicular line. If this is the surface, this one, then this is the perpendicular line. If this is the surface, this is the perpendicular line. So perpendicular line means normal ray. Normal ray means perpendicular line drawn any surface. So it is the perpendicular line. I am taking the name normal. Whenever the incident ray is incident on any point, on any surface, at the point of incidence there will be a normal, and the incident ray will make angle I, that is the angle of incidence, with normal, and it will reflect it back the light ray with same angle is making by this incident ray. Means angle I equal to angle R होना चाहिए. So this is the process of reflection of light. On this surface everywhere normal is same, but on this surface sometimes it is like this, sometimes when it is like this, then it is coming, it is normal, so it is going back. When this surface is like this, incident ray is coming like this, normal is this, normal is this, and it is making some angle, so it is going back. So that we are not getting the proper image, we are not getting the proper signature of object to our eyes. It is the way, it is called reflection of light. This process we are giving the name regular reflection. This process we are giving the name diffusion or irregular reflection. This is it. So reflection of light means whenever any incident ray is coming from source of light and it will reflect it back or sending back from any interface, this process is known as reflection of light. There will be some laws of reflection, so I will made it. रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, अब बात आती है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. तो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के लिए यहाँ पर हमारे दो लॉज फॉलो होंगे. टू लॉज आर देयर इन रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. फर्स्ट लॉ एंड सेकेंड लॉ. फर्स्ट लॉ मीन्स आई हैव जस्ट मेड हियर, दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर. प्लेन मिरर इन द सेंस जो आपके घरों में मिरर है. दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर. फ्रॉम एनी सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, light rays coming, incident on any point, this point is known as the point of incidence, and it is reflected back. When the light is incident on any point, there will be a normal line draw. Normal means perpendicular to the surface. From this normal, incident ray is making angle I, that is the angle of incidence, and it is reflected back and it is also making angle R with normal. So I have made two rules over there. Which two rules are there? It is very important for your board purpose. Two rules. First rule is this: incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie in same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in same plane. Plane का क्या मतलब है? Plane in the sense this board is the plane. This is one plane, this is second plane, like the XY axis, and Z axis will be outside the board or inside the board. When the light ray is coming from the surface, then it is on the board. It is not going inside the board, it is not coming outside the board, so it is known in the same plane. It is lie in the same plane, on the board only, not inside, not outside. So it is the same plane, means of same plane. So incident ray, normal and the reflected ray all lie in same plane. First rule. Second rule, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. अब क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फंसता है. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस मीन्स होता है द एंगल विथ द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस मीन्स द एंगल विच इज मेड बाय द इंसिडेंट रे विद नॉर्मल. विद नॉर्मल वर्ड इज, लिसन मी, नॉर्मल. समटाइम्स इन द क्वेश्चन इन न्यूमेरिकल्स क्वेश्चन सेज दैट कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और इंसिडेंट रे मेकिंग एंगल 60 degree with mirror. Please see this one, 60 degree with mirror. Whenever this word you are getting, it means that the angle of incidence it is given. आपको ये एंगल दिया हुआ है 60 डिग्री. और हमें पता करना है ये वाला एंगल। हम देखते हैं, वी कैन सी द क्वेश्चन एंड वी कैन ड्रॉ इट एंड वी कैन solve it. Angle I equal to 60 degree. It is wrong. It is not angle I. Angle I will be, normal is making 90 degree and it is given 60 degree, so it is 30 degree. Normal is making 90 degree. This one, suppose this is 90 degree, this is normal, this is mirror, and angle of this is the, this one you are seeing, this one is the incident ray with this and this, like this and like this is the normal, this is the mirror, and this one is the incident ray. Question is saying that incident ray is making 60 degree with mirror. इसका मतलब it is making 60 degree, and what we want the angle of incidence, and the angle of incidence is this.